the week of Christmas, and I'm going right through DC and onto Alexandria right now. Riding a scooter in winter is so much better. It feels so much warmer because of the sheltering of the scooter. Something that people just completely forget. Alright, I have to get on this right lane. Everybody's turning left. You see how these lanes have shifted? Now it's only 2 lanes going into DC and 4 lanes coming out. This was the road that I rode when it was snowing. Yeah, it looks a little bit different. It looks a little bit less scary without the snow. You see all the traffic on the left? We're almost back to like rush hour normal rush hour for DC. If you look at the left, you just see a horde of cars leaving DC. Those are the commuters. And I just like to filter up to the reds. I don't really like to filter anything else. But I just hate it. Oh, red light camera. When you run those lights, make sure you cover both brakes. You know, I don't mind doing it here, but I don't like it when I do it like in the suburbs, because people are a lot more temperamental. The motorcycle. Ahead is the White House, and it's funny enough that they did close this, like one whole block of the street, and it's now like called Black Lives Matter Street or Black Lives Matter Avenue. And you see that where the cop cars are? That is Black Lives Matter Avenue now. And up ahead, this, I came here during the Women's March. It's kind of lame, but you know, I kind of thought there'll be like a lot of hot women. No, just a bunch of like feminine men. Look at, there's so much more traffic now in the National Mall. It used to be empty. Now it's starting to open back up. Goddamn, Mini Cooper, you idiot. This is the Holocaust Museum. Not a good place to take a date on. So on the HOV for free. And as a motorcyclist, why not? I guess I could jump on the GW Parkway. I don't know, it doesn't look too fantastic, but you know, when people have money, they're just casually commuting with their 911 Porsche Carreras like this guy. There's everybody goes to the center, DC, and then if you go south, west, east, or north, you get all the traffic. You know, there's a danger too about lane splitting and filtering in Virginia as opposed to DC. In Virginia, people are a lot more uptight, and I think they're mostly conservative, I think, so they kind of frown upon lane splitting. This is King Street, and the restaurants are already starting to put places outside to eat. They're taking over the streets. This is an Sh150, so it's relatively easy to ride on the Beltway, so it's not a hard one. I've taken it before here. Now if you have a 50, just hug that shoulder, because it's a lot worse. But on a 150 I can do 69 miles per hour, and I clocked it on the GPS, but we're almost there. It's just a 1 or 2 miles here on the Beltway. Not even, I think we're gonna go just a mile. I think the bridge is only a mile, the Woodrow Wilson Bridge. Just gotta be careful with these mouth breathers coming in from the right. Well, it's that time that we say goodbye. That's the MGM right up front, guys, and this is the National Harbor. This is my destination for tonight, and I bid you adieu. This guy's a douchebag. He was behind me and he was so desperate to pass me. that he just cut 2 cars off, and now he's still right up here. Jesus, man, these people are such douches sometimes. Yeah, you can't go racing these guys because there's sand on the road from the snow plows. But man, these people are just such douches. Like, what's the deal, man? Just relax for a little bit. What's the point? You can't like just go a little bit slower? Well, I just passed them. And I just passed them. Ah, that is karma, man. That's good. You stay back there. I remember coming up here on my 50. Man, this hill really slowed it down. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Come to Oxon Hill. It's beautiful here. Ah, that douchebag's behind me.